To customize your cars in Forza Horizon 6, first of all, you will need to enter a garage. The easiest and quickest way to do it is to simply hit the escape. Then you can click on the cars right here and navigate to buy new and used cars. And then it will ask you to travel to the May house or your garage. So click on yes, and that way you will go back to your garage. Keep in mind that it will teleport you there, so you will lose your current position. Then you can go for a cars, and that way you can see all of your cars. You can choose whichever car you want to customize and then click on get in a car. There will be a quick cinematic of that car, and now we should be able to customize it. Just give it a couple of seconds. Here we have options for customizations. You can upgrade or tune your car with custom upgrades, auto upgrades, custom tuning, your own tuning setups, or you can find them online. There's also car mastery that you can customize right here. Then there's the options for the car design and paints. You can paint your car with different decals and etc. You can also get designs from different people if you want to use them. Then we have car horns. You can change the horn sound for your car. There's different options, but for most of them you will need to pay the current currency. Then there's number plates. You can also change them if you like. And lastly, there's bar finds. You can check barn finds. You can check the cars that you found in barns or treasure cars. It doesn't matter right now because it's just changing your cars. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.